Hey guys, this is AgentMindStorm. This is a guide that explains how to add custom songs to Music Plus or Music Player UI Lite. First, you need to download and import the Custom Music Container resource pack. The download link is right next to the link for Music Plus or Music Player UI Lite. This container pack allows you to keep all your custom files through future Music Player updates because the container will never need an update. Without it, you would have to redo your custom songs every update. Next, get the raw file of your song. It might have metadata attached to it, like an album cover, but that doesn't matter for what we're going to do. I'm going to say right here that I am not okay with actions that infringe upon the rights of others. Don't download songs that you do not have the right to. Now, you have to convert the song to the OGG format so it can be read by Minecraft. Use the website audio.onlineconvert.com/convert-to-OGG to convert your song file. It's linked in the description. If you're converting multiple songs to OGG, you should compress them into a zip file before uploading them to the website. Trying to convert multiple songs without using a zip file brings you to this purchase screen. If you get here, make sure not to select any payment plans. Instead, use your browser's back button to go back to the right page. Press the Choose Files button on the website and find the song file on your device. The file will take some time to upload to the website. When the upload finishes, press the Start Conversion button. This button brings you to a screen that displays your converted files. When the conversion is done, press the green Download button on the far right side of the page to download the file. The next step is to move the converted files to the Custom Music Container folder. This step is different depending on your device. Keep watching for the Android tutorial, otherwise skip to this time on screen to go to the Windows 10 tutorial. On Android devices, open a File Manager app and go to the Download folder. This is where the converted files that you downloaded are. Select every converted song that you want to have in-game and press Cut. Now go to games/com.mojang/resource packs and choose the folder called Custom Music. Open the custom_songs folder, then press paste to move the songs here. That's the end of the Android tutorial. Skip to this time on screen for the next step. On Windows 10, you should first copy the file path line in the description of this video by highlighting it and pressing Ctrl+C. Next, open the Windows Explorer and go to This PC, then Local Disk, then Users. Open the folder which has the first 5 letters of the name of your account on the computer. Click on the box to the left of the search bar that says This PC, Local Disk C, Users, your user folder name, then press the End key. This deselects the file path and moves the typing bar to the end of the line. Press Ctrl+V to paste the file path line that you copied earlier and press Enter. You're now in the Minecraft Resource Packs folder. Right-click the folder called Custom Music and select Pin to Quick Access. This adds a shortcut that goes to this folder on the left side of the Explorer. Next, go to your computer's Downloads folder, which is where the converted files are. Select the converted songs by holding the Control key and clicking with the left mouse button. Once every song you want to have in the music player is selected, press Ctrl+X to cut them. Go back to the Custom Music folder, then open the Custom_songs folder. Press Ctrl+V to move the song files. You now have to rename the song files so Minecraft will be able to find them. Change the name of the first song to custom1.ogg. The second song should be renamed to custom2.ogg. This pattern works all the way up to custom100.ogg, which is the maximum amount of songs that can be added to Custom Music Container. Now, you should check that the custom songs you added work correctly. On the Global Resources screen, the Custom Music Container needs to be applied above the pack with the music player in it. In the Custom section of the music player, the number of the file matches the number in the title, so Custom Song 1 plays custom1.ogg. Once you're sure that the song works correctly, we're going to give it a custom cover. You should still have the original song file from the start of the tutorial. The easiest way to get its cover is to open the song in a media player program and press the print screen key. That saves a picture of your screen to the clipboard. Next, open any basic image editor. I'd recommend Paint.net, but Microsoft Paint and Paint 3D can crop images too. Draw a box around the cover image to select it, then press Crop to remove the rest of the image. Save the cover as a PNG file. Go back to Windows Explorer and find your saved cover image. Move it to the Custom_covers folder inside Custom Music Container. Just like songs, you have to rename covers so Minecraft can find them. Rename the cover to Cover 1 if you want to put the cover on Custom Song 1, or Cover 2 if you want it to be on Custom Song 2. Every custom song can be given a unique cover using that pattern. If you want to change the cover on the Random Custom Song button, name the image Cover 0. To give a song a custom title, artist, and duration that will be visible in the music player, open the customizer.txt file in Custom Music Container. Any basic text editor will be able to open it. There are a few music player options available, but they can be ignored for now. Scroll down until you find the Custom Titles, Artists, and Durations section of the customizer. Custom text can be entered between the quotation marks on the right side of the colon. Don't edit anything outside the quotation marks unless you're editing a number. Also, don't put any quotation marks in the text you enter. That will break the whole customizer. The song that I've been adding in the background footage is City of Tears from Hollow Knight. Since it's custom 1, I'll edit the properties associated with custom song 1. The first property is the title, which is easy. I'll just type City of Tears between the quotation marks. The next one is the duration of the song. To find out what it is, open the original song file and check how long the media player says it is. If you can't do that for some reason, you can also just look up the song on YouTube and check its length there. City of Tears is 2 minutes and 58 seconds long, so I'll type 2:58 between the quotation marks. The next property is the duration again, but in seconds. This is used by the duration bar that appears when you click the song. If you don't add it, the bar won't appear. You can calculate this pretty easily with some mental math. Multiply the number before the colon by 60, then add the numbers after the colon to the product. It's useful to know how many seconds are in certain numbers of minutes, so here are the basics. 1 minute is 60 seconds, 2 minutes are 120 seconds, 3 are 180, 4 are 240, 5 are 300. From there it just repeats that cycle with 360, then 420, and so on and so on. For City of Tears, the duration of 2 minutes and 58 seconds becomes 178 seconds after multiplying 60 by 2 to get 120 and adding the remaining 58 seconds on top. When you type the custom duration in seconds, keep in mind that there aren't any quotation marks. This is the only song property that works like that. Delete the 0, then type your song's duration in seconds. The last property is the artist, the creator of the song. If you don't know who that is, you can right-click the original song file, click Properties, and click Details. The creator will be listed next to Album Artist. That's everything you can do to customize a single song. If you want to change the name of the custom section or the random custom song button, the properties are right above the custom song 1 properties. Make sure you save the file when you make changes, otherwise your settings won't be saved. Now let's scroll back up in the customizer to explain the rest of the file. The top 2 settings are Always Show Information section and Always Show Custom section. These can be set to true or false. If you set them to true, the toggle that you usually have to press to see the section will be removed, and the section will be visible by default. The next 4 settings allow you to choose how many custom songs are visible. Normally, the custom section is limited to songs 1 through 25, but if you add more than 25 songs, you won't be able to see them. These toggles allow you to make more songs visible in groups of 25. They can only be set to true or false. Make sure you don't put quotation marks around the true or false. Just so you know, this is the only time you should write a word that isn't in quotation marks. The next 4 settings change the colors of different texts. These settings affect every part of the music player screen, not just the custom section. The first property is for the top text on the button, which is the title of the song. The second property is the bottom text, which is the duration and artist. The third and fourth properties are for section titles and toggles, respectively. To write a color, you have to know how to convert it to the format used in Minecraft resource packs. Basically, the color is made up of 3 values typed between the brackets. There's a comma between each value. The values are the red, green, blue values of colors, which can easily be found in any basic image editor. Once again, I recommend Paint.net, but as long as you can edit the selected color in your program, you'll be able to get the RGB values. Select the color you want in your editor. If you want a color from a different image, you can use the eyedropper tool to grab the exact color of any pixel. Once you have the color you want the text to be, open the color details. Usually you can click somewhere near the color indicator to make them appear. The red, green, and blue values are the ones you want. Divide each value by 255 using a calculator, then put the results into the array in the order of red, then green, then blue. The numbers should all be between 0 and 1. If they're outside that range, something went wrong and you should do the calculations again. The last settings in the file control the appearance of the duration bar. Like the color settings, these will affect the whole music player screen, not just the custom section. The top property controls the color of the duration bar, and the bottom one controls the number of notches, or separation bars, that appear on it. The properties here only respond to specific values, so you have to make sure you spelled everything correctly. The options you have for the color are pink, blue, red, green, yellow, purple, and white, while the notch count can be 0, 6, 10, 12, or 20. I'm going to set my duration bar to be blue with 12 notches, so I'll type blue for the upper property and replace the lower property's 0 with 12. That's all the customization you can do to a music player. In case you're wondering how the music player I made in the background ended up looking, this is it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later.